Hello dear student. Today we discuss about one of the important viral disease, that is yellow vein mosaic of Bhindi or okra. This disease of Bhindi, which is known as Abelmoscus and esculentus, is the most serious handicap in the cultivation of this vegetable crop in India. This disease, yellow vein mosaic of Bhindi, is probably restricted to countries of South Asia, and in India it was first reported in 1924 by Kulkarni, and after that it was further studied were extended by Kapoor and Verma in 1950 and Jha and Mishra in 1955. It was estimated that if plants are infected within 34 to 35 days of germination, the infected plant shows reduced growth. यदि प्लांट के अंदर इन्फेक्शन आफ्टर सोइंग 34 टू 35 डेज के अंदर हो जाता है तो प्लांट क्या होता है, इसकी जो ग्रोथ है वो रिड्यूस हो जाती है, रिटार्डेड हो जाती है, कम हो जाती है. उसकी वजह से जो फ्रूट्स हैं, फ्यू लीव्स एंड फ्रूट्स आर फॉर्म्ड, और इसको हम कह सकते हैं दे डेवलप फ्यू लीव्स एंड फ्रूट्स, एंड द टोटल लॉस इज एस्टिमेटेड टू द टर्न ऑफ 94%. यदि अर्ली स्टेज में हो जाता है तो मैक्सिमम जो लॉस है, करीब करीब जो क्रॉप है वो खत्म हो जाती है. द अमाउंट ऑफ डैमेज यूजली शोज रिडक्शन विथ डिले इन इन्फेक्शन. इन्फेक्शन जितना डिले होगा उतना ही लॉस कम होगा. द प्लांट इन्फेक्टेड विद इन 50 days of germination, approximately 85% loss, and those infected within 60 days of germination suffer a loss of 49 to 50%. This plant, Bhindi, it suffer from two mosaic disease normally, and the symptoms of which are somewhat similar and which are caused by two distinct viruses. तो इस जो येलो वेन मोजेक, जो भिंडी के अंदर दो तरह की मोजेक डिजीज होती है, इनके नॉर्मली सिम्टम्स काफी सिमिलर होते हैं, लेकिन ये दो डिफरेंट वायरस के द्वारा होती है. वन इज ओकड़ा मोजेक रिपोर्टेड फ्रॉम ओनली वेस्ट अफ्रीका, एंड द अदर इज येलो वेन मोजेक ऑफ भिंडी which is reported from India and Sri Lanka. This Bhindi mosaic virus belong to Tymovirus group and single-stranded RNA, and this disease is transmitted by sap inoculation, while though there is no vector is known. और इस तरह की डिजीज के अंदर जो सिम्टम्स होते हैं, दे अपीयर ऑन द यंगेस्ट लीफ एज लाइट ग्रीन एंड रेगुलर इंटरवल नेक्रोसिस. एंड दूसरी तरफ जो सेकेंड डिजीज है विच इज वेरी कॉमन इन इंडिया, येलो वेन मोजेक ऑफ भिंडी, दिस लीव्स कंटिन्यू टू शो सिम्टम्स एज दे आर फॉर्म थ्रू आउट द क्रॉप ग्रोथ. लेकिन पहले वाली डिजीज जो है, जिसको हम मोजेक डिजीज कहते हैं, उसमें क्या होता है, यंग लीफ इन्फेक्टेड होती हैं, उसके बाद में आगे इन्फेक्शन नहीं होता है. लेकिन जो नॉर्मली इंडिया के अंदर येलो वेन मोजेक डिजीज पाई जाती है, उसमें लीव्स लगातार सिम्टम्स शो करती हैं जब तक कि क्रॉप ग्रोथ करती रहती है. और नॉर्मली द टिपिकल सिम्टम्स जो इसके हैं इस डिजीज के, दे आर वेन क्लियरिंग एंड वेन क्लोरोसिस ऑफ लीफ. सबसे पहले द क्लियरिंग ऑफ स्मॉल वेन स्टार्टेड एट वेरियस पॉइंट नियर द लीफ मार्जिन, and thereafter the vein clearing develop into the vein chlorosis. In later stages, the leaves show very conspicuous yellow network of vein, and the vein thickened particularly toward the lower surface of leaf. After that, the leaf become completely chlorotic, leaving few green patches over the leaf surface. Or during this disease, the fruit developed on diseased plants are reduced in size, malformed, and yellowish green in appearance. In this picture, you can see the symptoms of viral disease on leaves. The diseased plants can be recognized from a distance due to the yellowing of entire network of veins. The characteristic symptom of the disease are the homologous network of yellow vein enclosing island of green tissue within. In severe cases, the entire leaf become chlorotic. जब बहुत लास्ट स्टेज आ जाती है डिजीज की, तो पूरी की पूरी लीफ में जो ग्रीन पैचेस दिखते हैं वो भी येलो हो जाते हैं, क्लोरेटिक हो जाते हैं. इन्फेक्टेड प्लांट्स स्टंटेड एंड बियर वेरी डिफॉर्म्ड एंड स्मॉल येलो ग्रीन फ्रूट्स. इसके साथ साथ डिस्टॉर्शन ऑफ लीफ स्टॉक एंड स्टेम अकर एट द एडवांस स्टेज ऑफ इन्फेक्शन. द डिजीज कॉज very heavy loss in yield if the plant get infected within 20 days after germination. Causal organism that normally for yellow vein mosaic of bhindi is vagomovirus, or commonly known as bhindi yellow vein mosaic virus. And this yellow vein mosaic disease of bhindi is caused by yellow vein mosaic virus, which is not much known about this virus. Normally this virus is probably small in size and spherical in shape, but its morphology and ultrastructure are yet to be determined in detail. Normally name of pathogen is bhindi mosaic virus 1 or hibiscus virus 1, and this disease is transmitted by white flies known as Bemisia tabaci, and its disease is not sep transmitted. Common weeds for this disease are croton, malvestrum, ageratum species, and this is not seed-borne disease. And favorable condition for this disease is warm, humid weather favor insect population. Classification of this disease. Rank name is virus, which is Monadenovirus. Kingdom is Shotocuvirinae, and phylum is Crescenderviricota. Class Ripensiviricetes. Order Japlephyviraceae, or family is Geminiviridae, and genus is Vagomovirus. Normally, the favorable condition for this white fly Bemisia tabaci is about temperature is 25 to 36 degrees centigrade, and humidity is about 40% is favorable for multiplication of white flies. The disease is closely related to white fly population, which is mainly dependent on weather prevailing in the crop season. Disease cycle. The virus perinates in several weed hosts such as croton, spariciflora, malvestrum, tricuspicidatum, ageratum species, and a wild host, namely hibiscus tetraphyllus, when the crop is absent. जब crop नहीं होती है, ये वाली सीजन नहीं होता है, उस समय कुछ कॉमन वीड्स होते हैं जिसके अंदर जो वायरस होता है वो सर्वाइव करता है. Above mentioned weed host can be found generally growing along the roadside. ये common weed हैं जो normally seasonal rainy seasons के अंदर easily available हो जाते हैं roadsides पर भी. Yellow vein mosaic virus is not sep transmissible in nature. It is readily transmitted by white fly, which is Bemisia tabaci. The population is high during the hot summer months. The crop is seriously affected then. The virus also survives on various weeds growing along the roadside, for example, croton, ageratum, etc. The insect vector acquires the virus within 15 to 30 minutes. The virus undergo an incubation period of 7 hours within the body of the vector, and after that the vector inoculates them on crop plants. Once verified, the vector retains virus in them and may infect host plants until they die. And the only 10 white flies per plant are required to give 100% infection. And last, how can we control the disease? All the weed host and wild hibiscus plant as growing in adjacent area of the crop field should be uprooted and destroyed. The diseased bhindi plant should be sorted out, collected and burnt. Protection of crop from insect vectors should be made by spraying suitable insecticide like Folidol 0.3%. and this reduces the disease incidence considerably if the spraying is done during the initial stage of crop growth, approximately within 20 days of germination. Otherwise, the disease incidence remain very high. It has been recommended that the soil application of methyl phosphorodiethioate at the rate of 15 kg per hectare, followed by 4 foliar spray or methyl dimetone at the rate of 0.03% at an interval of 15 days from the date of crop sowing reduced disease incidence by reducing whitefly population. तो कुछ इंसेक्टिसाइड्स हैं जिनको स्प्रे करने से हम काफी जो इन्फेक्शन है और लॉस है क्रॉप का वो हम इसको चेक कर सकते हैं, रोक सकते हैं। इसके अलावा जो इम्पोर्टेंट कंट्रोल मेजर होता है दैट इज यूज ऑफ रेजिस्टेंट वेराइटीज शुड बी प्रेफर्ड। हाउएवर पूसा स्वानी variety is resistant to some extent to this virus. Foliar spray of 5 to 10 ml neem oil is also very effective in a liter of water at weekly intervals, and removing and destroying disease affected plant from crop field to avoid secondary spread. The destroy host weed such as croton. And the next important control measure is we can use the crop rotation and use seed collected from the diseased free plant. So this is a very important vegetable crop viral disease which causes a very heavy loss in this plant.